Inventory soars on the shore as buyer contracts fall 12.7% week over week. It's Friday, April 25th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Home prices are up 4% year over year, but showings are off 9.6% week over week, and that translates into fewer contracts this report. Homes on the market just hit 2,000 for sale, which is a 200% increase from last year. 138 homes are coming soon. 147 homes went under contract in 21 days. 114 homes settled at 96.9%. List to sold ratio with the days on the market at 26 days. 98 homes for lease are available at a median $2,100 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.